guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Maggie is making her nest right back here. Okay, so what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul. I popped into one. We went to Destin over the weekend. Well, really Saturday. We just drove over there. It's like about 40 miles from where we live. So it was really nice. We walked on the beach, just ate out at, what was it called? Some pizza shop. We actually were seated outside. We did not get too hot because there was a palm tree there. They had umbrellas. It was just so nice and relaxing, okay? So anyway, I popped in going back, I went to another Dollar Tree different from mine, just to see what I could find, and I found some really nice things. So let's hop into this Dollar Tree haul, okay? The first thing I found is I love these little trash cans from the Dollar Tree. They had it in this pretty like turquoise, and then they had it in a gray, but I wanted this for my craft room because I don't need a real big one, but I need one that'll hold a little bit more than that little trash can I keep on my desk. So pick this up, love it, and everything that I picked up was $1.25. Okay, the next thing, I was pleasantly surprised to see, you know, their tumbling tower blocks. Well, they give you more now. Look at this tumbling tower game. Look how tall that is. It's for 2 to 4 players. I love taking this and making things out of them. They're a great wood piece. I've made so many things out of these. Or you can play them for a game. And now this, I would say, is equal to about 2 boxes. So I thought that was a great deal. Then I picked up another one of these, and I even got Mom one because I'm loving the one I hauled the other day. One of you told me it hurts, and it does. I've been using it. But boy, does it work. It gets that hair right off your face. I have a no-no, and I've always used my no-no, but now it's getting hard to find the tips for the no-no. So this just makes it so convenient, and it's easy if you go anywhere to just throw it in your purse, or if you're like your suitcase or something like that. It's so travel friendly. Plus it really works, and it's simple and very inexpensive, okay? So I picked that up. Excuse me. Then I got some more of these wood curl roses. I think those are so pretty. You get 4 to a pack, but I wanted to get those. Love them, all right? Then I thought this ribbon was so unusual, so I just had to get it. Look at this. It looks like bark of a tree. I love it, and it's like a satin ribbon, like, but it almost feels, I know it's not a bark, but it is so much of a dupe for a bark of a tree. So I picked that up. Don't know what I'll do with it, if anything, but I like to have it in my arsenal, okay? Then excuse me, while I was there, I picked up some more stickers. I love those stickers. Just look at that. That looks so high-end. You have to love Dollar Tree stickers. And these just look like keyholes. Look at that. And this says dream, smile. Just look at that. I love it, okay? So I picked that one up, and this was a lot like that. Look at that. That would totally upscale any little DIY you wanted to do. If you wanted to do a book, you could put these on the front of the book, whatever. Wood pieces. You could make a design, just get you some picture frames with glass and put that on there. Would be gorgeous, okay? Got that. Then I saw this tear and share a prayer, and I thought that was so sweet. You can collar it, and then you can tear it off and share it. And this one says, His mercy endures forever. And then it has the verse there. But I thought these were so cute. You can just, like it says, color it, tear it, and share it. I love that. So I picked that one up. Then I found these stickers again. I love these. Anytime I can find them, I grab them. They look so realistic. Those beautiful sunflower stickers, okay? Then I found this right there with that other ribbon. It was this, and I don't want to take it out, but it has a feel to it. I don't know, you can actually feel those ribs, but I thought that was really cute, and they coordinate very nicely together too. So that's always good. Then I found some of these wood clips, so adorable. Has cactus. Here's a cactus, all these different types. I think, what is the plural for cactus? Is it cacti? I don't know. Let me know in the description box. I think that's what it is. And it's just on these little clips. So cute. Okay, and you get 10. Then I found some really cute, if you're having a summer party, a summer birthday party, whatever. I just thought these were, if you're going to do something by the, like if we wanted to do something by the pool, look at this. You put these around your cupcakes. Is that not adorable? I love them. If I can get them out, oh, I think I can without tearing them up, because it's fun to just make cupcakes and put things around them. I think it makes it so festive. Okay, let's just look at one. Okay, I pulled this one out. See, it goes around your cupcake like that. And then they have little mermaids' tails and things like that that you hook on them. I just think that is cute. You get 6 pieces. So you could have a really cute little cupcake party if you wanted. We have tons of nieces, so I thought that would be cute, okay? Then here's another one, Cupcake Wraps again. This is like a unicorn, look at that. And right here it is, same principle, it wraps around, and then you can add this embellishment, and you get 6 of these. Talking about totally stepping up their game. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. And then they have these little Cupcake Picks. Look at this. They're adorable. Let's open these up too. I like any excuse for a party. Okay. All right, look. Here's this one and these. Look at that unicorn, but he is shiny. And then there's some more in here. And they're just on toothpicks. I mean, you could always, if you have a Cricut, make your own, but at $1.25, this is precious. So this will go with our other little stuff over here. And then I found, look at this banner. I about fell over when I saw it. I was like, you've got to be kidding me, $1.25. This was in like the party section as well, but look at this burlap banner, and look at that. That is gorgeous. I think, I don't know if that's stamped on or not. It comes with the twine. You get, just says Burlap Banner. They also had some that had initials on it that you could, you know, put up. But look at this. Let's just look. This is stamped on, but it really looks like, you know, that it's not. But look at that. And there's the back. I thought this was adorable. You could use this for fall. You could do a lot with that. Or once again, if you're having a birthday party or something, so cute. Or weddings. If you're doing a wedding, this would be adorable. You could put their names. And like I said, they had some already with the initials. Great finds. Then I found some more things in that same section. And these are favor boxes. And look how pretty those are. If you give away candy at Christmas or a wedding, you know how you give the little favors, that would be beautiful. It comes with the bows, but you could use this for Christmas. If you want to put, you get 5 pieces in there if you want to put little candies in for Christmas that you make, or a couple cookies. Oh, these are nice. And this is cardboard. Great. I love it. Then I got these because I love them. I absolutely love them. They would work great for a wedding, but look at this. You could do this in a planner too. Look at that. Look at that bridal gown. And then here. Oh, and you can put favors in them. And it even comes with the bow. Can you believe that? There's a picture of it right there. I love these. You could always use something like this in a planner. Oh, you could just cover the dress. Gorgeous. And then, I don't know. I just really liked it. Favor boxes. Look at that. It's like a tux. If someone is getting married, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Or if you're doing planners, you could put this in one, but I don't think this will open, and I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it. So I thought I'd get that for my collection. Look how adorable both of these are. You can't beat it. And $1.25, you're kidding me. I can't. I'm shocked. Okay. Now the next couple things is part of their little fairy gardens. I walked in and here was this. It just looks like an old barn with a little silo there. So cute. What is that? I guess that's supposed to be like little bundles of hay. But look at the windows. So cute. Pick that one up. Then this is like, I don't know. I don't know if it's like their house, their little farmhouse with the little place where you can put the window box, or if it's like a chicken coop. I don't know what it is. But it's cute. I thought that was adorable. Then look at this. Look at that building. Look at those, where the door opens here, the hinges. There's all the little straw. I don't know. And the window. And look at that roof. Oh my gosh, so cute. Then they had this. Maybe this is where the chickens live. I don't know. There's a chicken. And then there's a little pitchfork. And then there's a little bit of hay there. Look at that. I just thought these were precious. And I guess this is kind of like a silo. This is the only one that didn't make a whole lot of perfect sense, but you can see, I guess it kind of does go. But I thought those were really cute, and I hadn't seen the farm ones before. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for, I think I'm going to do some of my Dollar Tree favorite finds that I buy pretty much consistently. I think that would be a fun video to do. And spoiler alert, this is definitely a favorite. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Did you grumble at Mama? Are you tired? Did we drag you all over? She said they drug me to Destin. But she did sleep in the back seat. She's getting very good now. When we travel, before she would just stand up, or sit up actually. She would not lay down. Now she at least lays down on her blankets and sleeps. Do you sleep, sweetie? Are you worn out? Are you exhausted? She says, I think I am. Are you exhausted? Did Mommy and Daddy wear you out? Yes, we did. Did you have fun in Destin? Yes, she did. She got to see the beach for the first time, and she loved it. Did you like the beach? She says, yes, Mama, I did. So, until next time, bye, guys.